Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of Veg Lollipop. It's an innovative recipe, a very different one. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
Take 4 big boiled potatoes and peel them, and once they cool down, crush them like this. Now to the mashed potatoes, I am adding half cup grated cabbage. I used a grater to grate the cabbage. Add that to the potato mixture. Now add half cup grated carrots, half cup boiled green peas. I am using the frozen ones. So we freeze the peas at home. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 crushed green chillies, or you can add more as per your taste, half teaspoon red chilli flakes, some salt to taste. You can mix everything and then taste the mixture and adjust the salt later. Here I've taken 3 bread slices and I'm going to grind these to a powder. After grinding, add these to the mixture. So basically this will act as a binding agent. Now mix everything well. So our mixture is now ready. That was simple, right? So here I've taken some ice cream sticks. You can easily find these in a variety store or a stationery shop. Apply some oil to your hand, your palm, and onto the plate on which you'll be keeping these lollipops. So make an oblong shape like this and insert the ice cream stick. Now make sure you take a long ice cream stick which goes till the end inside this lollipop so that there's a good grip. So secure the potato mixture well on the ice cream stick and give it a shape. Same way make all the lollipops. I'm not going to make the lollipops out of the entire mixture. I'll make the rest later. So here I've made a few. Now in a bowl, take half cup all-purpose flour or maida. To this add half cup cornflour. So we are going to make a crispy batter for the lollipop. Half teaspoon red chilli powder, use Kashmiri one, it adds a very nice red color. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, some salt as per taste. Give this a mix. Now add a little water at a time and make a batter. So the batter should be thick enough to coat the lollipops well. Don't make the batter too thin or too thick. Medium consistency, something like this. Now take one lollipop and dip it well into the batter. You can use a spoon to coat the lollipop well. The oil has been heating, it's on medium flame. Now drop the lollipop pieces into the hot oil and fry on medium flame till these become golden from the outside. You can use the ice cream stick as a handle to flip these into the oil. So these have become nice golden. I'll take these out. So you can see, because I've used a longer ice cream stick, there's a good grip and I was able to lift the lollipop with the handles. Now same way fry rest of the veg lollipops. So our fried veg lollipops are ready. You can serve them right away, but we are going to make a very delicious sauce for these lollipops. To make the sauce, heat 1.5 tablespoon cooking oil in a pan or kadhai. Once it becomes hot, add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and garlic. Saute till the raw smell is gone. Now add 2 tablespoon red chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, preferably Kashmiri one. Stir and cook this. Now add 1/4 cup water. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, little bit of salt because all the other sauces and everything has salt in them, so be careful with salt. Now here I have a slurry of 1 tablespoon corn flour plus 2 tablespoon water. So while you add the slurry, you need to continuously stir the sauce, and once it becomes thick and glossy like this, it's almost done. Switch off the flame and take each piece of chicken lollipop and coat it like this with the sauce. This delicious sauce is going to make the veg lollipops out of this world. So as soon as you coat these veg lollipops with the sauce, you need to serve them right away. So you can see here I've served all the lollipops. These look so glossy and so tasty. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.